how to verify identity on Cash App. So here's what you want to do. First, you have to unlock your phone and open up Cash App. Make sure you are signed into the account you want to verify. You will then go to your profile. You want to tap the profile icon in the top right corner, and this is going to open up your account settings. From there, you want to select personal. In the menu, you tap personal and you'll see spaces to fill in your information. You want to enter basic info such as your full legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. You want to double check everything to avoid mistakes. You will then have to upload your ID. Cash App will ask for a photo ID. You can use a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Make sure the photo is clear and not blurry and well lit. You will then have to take a selfie. You may be asked to take a live selfie. You will look straight into the camera, no hats, no sunglasses. The step is to match your face with the ID photo. And the last step will be waiting for a review. After submitting, your info goes into Cash App's system. It takes 24 to 48 hours to complete the verification, and if approved, you will get a notification. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.